On a cold winter day, there's only one right thing to do, and that is to drink a cup of hot chocolate. And this one is going to be extra special. Add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder to a pot. Also add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. And you're also going to need some fresh vanilla. Cut the vanilla pod in half, scrape out the seeds, and then add the whole thing to the pot. Also add a few drops of rum or almond essence, whichever one you have available. Then we're also going to need 2 tablespoons of hazelnut butter. And lastly, 2 cups of hazelnut milk. And if you can't find hazelnut milk, you can use any other kind of plant-based milk that you have available. Now bring the mixture to a simmer, let cook for about 5 minutes and stir frequently. And lastly, remove the vanilla pods. Well, I hope you're ready for this rich and creamy goodness. And of course, our luxury hot chocolate wouldn't be complete without some whipped coconut cream on top. And as a little garnish, you could use some candied hazelnuts. But I decided to simply use some cane sugar and sprinkle a little bit of gold powder on top. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye!